Welcome to this quick tutorial. Today I'll show you how to easily change the font style of subtitles in the YouTube app. Whether you want a more stylish look or just prefer a different font, this step-by-step guide will help you customize your captions in no time. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, tap on the Settings icon at the top right corner to open the Settings menu. After that, scroll down and tap on Captions. Now turn on Captions by toggling the switch. Once Captions are enabled, tap on Caption Style. Here, select Custom to personalize your subtitle appearance. Finally, tap on Font Family and choose the font style you like best from the list. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you change your subtitle font in the YouTube app. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this useful.